These are the things people from around the world have come to expect from the next galaxy. But as our lives become increasingly complex, people are no longer enthused about new technology for technology's sake. They desire products that genuinely think and care about them. Products created with humanity at heart. People don't want complexity from their technology, or technology they must struggle to learn. They want effortless, intuitive experiences. Today, the quest is for something different, and that's why it was created. It sees what you see. It listens to what you say. It shares what you love. It knows what you want. It is designed for humans.
The Samsung Galaxy S3. Please fully enjoy, play, and experience the Samsung Galaxy S3. Thank you.
Samsung Galaxy S3, designed for humans.
Samsung really wants everyone's first encounter with the Galaxy S3, this special phone, to be, well, special. Each of these extraordinary high-tech structures is a Samsung mobile pin, a premium pop-up brand experience space that once again reaffirms Samsung's drive to lead the market and delight its customers. This is how thousands of customers will first encounter the S3, just as you are about to encounter it right now. Ladies and gentlemen, today everything changes. And now I'm delighted to invite all of you to get up close and personal with the Samsung mobile pin and to experience for yourselves the game-changing Samsung Galaxy S3. Wait for it. Please now make your way through and join us in the exhibition. Follow me through. Thank you.